Hey everyone, it's Mama Does Nails and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing good because today we're going to get into that work Christmas party nail design, and I will be using some Born Pretty and maybe some other bits and bobs. I can't remember. Let's just watch the video, guys. Mwah. Guys, this is going to be a really funny and a little weird video, because what you see me doing here isn't going to be how the nails look at the end. So I kept this part of the video in simply because it's what I did, it's what I drew, and I redrew it again on another nail. So I didn't record that because I'd already recorded myself doing this. The main problem was for me, I'd done the whole set, done it all, recorded and everything. Then when I started to take pictures, I was looking at it and it wasn't sitting well with me. I showed it to Priya and she loved it, I loved it, but it still wasn't. So it wasn't till like later on in the evening and I was like, it was still on me. So I said, okay. I looked at it again and I was like, what? Because I went to take more pictures because I thought maybe walk away, do something else, come back. And it still wasn't giving. So then I realized it's simply because I probably needed that nail either black or red, but not white. Because my design wasn't popping the way I wanted it to pop. So, as I said, I did redo it. I've only kept this part in because this is how I drew the cup. You know, so when you see the cup appear later, it's like, oh, what did you do? This is how I did it. It's just going to be on a black nail. And I'm going to use a different polish. So that red there I used was from that palette from Born Pretty. It's like a really, really nice red. It's sold now. It's very fall, very Christmas, and it's the festive season approaching. I mean, I can't believe I'm saying it, but you can't even go anywhere without seeing Christmas crackers or Christmas biscuits or advent calendars. They're everywhere. So the Christmas stock's out, Christmas food is out, and I can't believe I'm saying it, but yeah, it's the festive season. And it dawned on me yesterday that there have been places where I have worked in the past, and they used to get their Christmas party out of the way early, before the rush. So this set is that work Christmas party nail design set. I hope you enjoy it, guys. I'm going to let you guys watch, and I will come back in where I need to. Thank you for watching.
There I go, hoping that you're single, but I know you got a man. There I go, thinking you could be mine, but I know it's not in the plan. So let's make a world of dreams that should have been. Let's run away and forget our circumstance. I don't wanna know the truth, girl, let's pretend it's me and you forever. And I hope this night will never ever end, so we can't be together. I don't wanna know the truth, girl, let's pretend it's me and you forever. And I hope this night will never ever end, 'cause we can't be together. Here we go, acting like we're strangers, but we know we got history. Here we go, flirting with that danger, and it's so full of mystery. So let's make a world of dreams that should have been. Let's run away and forget our circumstance. I don't wanna know the truth, girl, let's pretend it's me and you, 'cause I need you, baby. And I hope this night will never ever end, 'cause I wanna be with you. I don't wanna know the truth, girl, let's pretend it's me and you forever. 'Cause I don't wanna know. And I hope this night will never ever end, 'cause we can't be together. That's you and me. I don't wanna know the truth, girl, let's pretend it's me and you for the end of time. And I hope this night will never ever end, so we can't just wanna be with you. I don't wanna know the truth, girl, let's pretend it's me and you forever. Let's make it alright. And I hope this night will never ever end, 'cause we can't be together. Hoping that you're single, but I know you got a man. There I go, thinking you could be mine, but I know it's not in the plan. So let's make a world of dreams that should have been. Let's run away and forget our circumstance. I don't wanna know the truth, girl, let's pretend it's me and you forever. And I hope this night will never ever strangers, but we know we got history. Here we go, flirting with that danger, and it's so full of mystery. So let's make a world of dreams that should have been. Let's run away and forget our circumstance. I don't wanna know the truth, girl, let's pretend. Let's make believe, 'cause I need you, baby. And I hope this night will never ever end. 'Cause I wanna be with you. I don't wanna know the truth, girl, let's pretend. Tell me it's me and you forever. 'Cause I don't wanna know. And I hope this night will never ever end. 'Cause we can't be together. That's you and me. I don't wanna know the truth, girl, let's pretend. It's me and you for the end of time. And I hope this night will never ever end. We can't just wanna be with you. I don't wanna know the truth, girl, let's pretend. It's me and you forever. Let's make it all right. And I hope this night will never ever end. 'Cause we can't be together.
Thank you so much everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will leave a link for the items that I used in my description box. And also guys, I have a 10% discount code you can use at bornpretty. Please feel free to use and share it. I have another code, my nail sister Priya, and it's the same thing. You can save yourself 10%. Again, please feel free to use and share it. Please stay tuned till the end. I don't know if I've said that already, because you're going to see the nail. I do put a little clip. And I don't know what that noise is. But I love you lots. You, and you. All of you. I'm going to bling it now. And like I said, this video was so strange. I'm doing the voiceover, but where's the nail? And randomly, you're just going to see it change. But you are your own boss. If you're not feeling it, it's better to do that than you lose sleep over it. So that's what I did. Anyway, guys, please keep your bells on so you can catch me in the next one. And if you did enjoy this video, please give me a like. It does help the channel. Road to 1K, people. Road to 1K. Let's do this. Anyway, guys, I love you all so much. And also, please, 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 I need some ideas. What should I do for my 1K giveaway? I mean, do you prefer stuff that's been bought? Would you prefer a voucher? Let me know in the comments box. There's that nail, guys. There's the nail. There it is. There it is. There it is. And there's that 6-in-1 glue. Anywho, guys, I love you all so much. Mwah.